Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode on X. So open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy in this menu. And now, as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to section that's called Accessibility, Display and Languages. Now from here, let's go to Display and Sound. Here find Dark Mode option under Display tab. And finally, at the very top of your page, you should see this option that says Dark Mode. And let's toggle this on to turn on Dark Mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.